Welcome back. So today I'll be telling you about chestnuts. Chestnuts are edible sweet nuts. They have an inedible hard outer shell. Chestnuts are available these days in all supermarkets. I prefer taking chestnuts which are flat on one side. Unlike other nuts, they are relatively low in calories and fats. Chestnuts can be baked, boiled, or roasted. Fresh chestnuts are very hard. Wash chestnuts before you roast, boil, or bake. Before roasting, make a slit into the shell of the chestnut, as this allows steam to escape during cooking. If steam does not escape, chances are that it could explode. So, stay cautioned and take care. When you make slits on the shell, take care to see that you don't hurt yourself, as the shells are very hard. Here I have kept it over the flame, roasted sort of. Be careful not to overburn the chestnut. As you can see, I have made a slit too. And you have to peel off the skin when they are warm, because the hotter it is, they are easy to peel. There is no specific method for roasting chestnut. This is because all chestnuts aren't the same. I have kept for boiling the chestnuts. As regarding the taste part, I would give more marks to the roasted one than the boiled ones. Do buy chestnuts, try it at home, and let me know in the comments below. Don't fail to subscribe. Take care and bye.